So we got this older Honda Accord with the fart can on it, and you know, they've done some little modifications. They're happy with their car, right? This heart thing sticking down there, who knows what the hell that is, and big heart thing hanging, taking up half of the windscreen. Oh, that's awful. There's no resonator on there. It's literally just a fart can that's attached to like where the muffler used to be, and it stinks, and riding around that car be like riding around in a beehive, an angry beehive. Just awful. Put a resonator on that thing for the cost of $30 and a bit of welding. Jesus. And then you're just gonna sit out there this entire time trying to pass when you know you can't, even when traffic's coming. I'd be ashamed to drive that thing around. You're gonna pass on a blind hill. There's a transport truck coming. There's a transport truck coming. Oh, Jesus.